When I first started using Photoshop Elements, I could not figure out how to enter text. Seriously. So I wanted to give a helping hand to anyone else that may be having this issue. So in this quick tip lesson, I'll show you 3 easy ways to add text to a layout in Photoshop Elements using the horizontal type tool. The click and go method is perfect if you just want to add a line or two. With the horizontal type tool selected, the tool options bar will open below the active image area. Here's where you can set the font family, the size, the color. I'm going to change the color by clicking in this color swatch, and then I'm going to click over here and say OK. If the tool options does not open, you can access that down here below the tool options bar. So to use the click and go method, you click on the layout and just start typing. You can accept it by clicking the check mark to commit. If you have several lines to enter, want to justify your text, or create a custom text box, here's how you do it. Text boxes can be drawn freestyle or constrained. To draw freestyle, simply left-click with the horizontal type tool selected and drag to draw your box. Then you simply start typing within the box. As you can see, I typed a little bit more than would fit in the box. No problem. You can just increase the size of the box. Once it's right, click the check mark to commit. If you want a constrained or square text box, simply hold the Shift key while drawing the box. The third method is to use the copy and paste. And you can get this text from anywhere on the internet or from a document that you have that you want to copy, and use your Control-C to copy. Draw your text box and use Control-V to enter the text. This information and much more is included in the Basics and Beyond course. I've included a link to that course below this video. In addition to these tips, the Basics and Beyond text lesson also includes how to set or change the font family, size, and color, how to edit text, resizing all of the text or individual words, aligning, leading, and kerning. Yes, there is a workaround for kerning. How to create custom text boxes, entering text in or around a shape. Thanks for watching. If you want more information about what's included in the course, I've included a link under this video. If you found this video helpful, please click the like icon and subscribe to my channel to receive other tips and tricks for Photoshop Elements.